7th grade Connected Math midterm review, question number 9. It states that the triangles below are similar, so they're telling us that they're similar. We need to keep that in mind. Alright, A says, using the side lengths of triangle DEF, which they gave us, and the fact that the triangles are similar, what are the lengths of side AC and AB? Because they are similar, they told us, since DF and BC correspond to each other, we're going to use these to figure everything out. Since they're similar, and 3 times 6 is 18, we know that whatever side we pick, if we multiply it by 6 to get its corresponding side, that will be our answer. Since ED matches up with AB, 4 times 6 is 24, so we know this side is going to be 24. And we're going to use this same method against EF. 5 times 6 is 30, so AC is going to be 30. Alright, if this graphic is a little overwhelming, remember you can pause the video. But again, we did 3 times 6 to get 18, so 4 times 6 for AB gave us 24, and 5 times 6 for AC gave us 30. Next question says, what is the scale factor from DEF to ABC? Well, we had to kind of figure that out to get these answers. Whatever you're multiplying the sides of this figure by to get the sides of this figure is the scale factor. So the scale factor is 6. What is the scale factor from triangle ABC to DEF? So now you're going from large to small, so we're reversing directions. All you need to do is take the reciprocal of the scale factor from the small to the large. 6, which I've written right here, is the same thing as 6 over 1. We just don't normally write the over 1. Sometimes we'll use it when we're trying to multiply or divide fractions. So knowing that, and we need to take the reciprocal or inverse, and all that means is just flip the original number or the original fraction, which shows us we have 1/6. So our answer from the big to small is the reciprocal, so 1/6. D is asking us how many times greater is the perimeter of ABC, that's the bigger one, than the perimeter of DEF. Explain in full detail. Now, you can figure out the two perimeters and just divide and find out how many times bigger it is, which I would say is the 6th grade way. I want you to step it up and show me the 7th grade way of figuring this out. Again, here's a note that I've gone over and over and over again in class. The original perimeter, so in other words, this perimeter, the original shape, multiplied by the scale factor, there's the scale factor, will give you the new perimeter. So what is the original perimeter? 3 plus 4 plus 5 is 12. So our original perimeter is 12. Our scale factor we already figured out is 6. So our image perimeter is 72. Now, up here they didn't give us any units like centimeters, inches, yards, or anything like that, so we can leave that as our answer. This would be our final answer. E is asking us how many copies of triangle DEF will fit in ABC. How many copies of DEF will fit in ABC? To find the number of copies, all you need to do is square the scale factor. The scale factor was 6, which we found right here, so we just square it. 6 times 6 is 36. So what that means is 36 of these will fit in there. Now obviously that reminds me to tell you to make sure you keep in mind that these are never drawn to scale. Just use the math that you've learned to figure that out. That is the answer, that 36 of them will fit inside. Alright, that's it for number 9.